Hello everyone. Samsung's new sketch-to-image is truly an amazing feature, especially for those who love editing images. Why? As you can see on the screen, in just 2 steps, I added another surfer to the image. It only took me 15 seconds, and Galaxy AI did the rest. Photo Assist sketch-to-image feature lets you draw things directly onto an image, and then it transforms your drawings to make them look like realistic parts of the picture. Let me show you how to use this feature. Open the Gallery app. Then, find and open the picture where you want to add something. Next, click on this icon in the middle. Then, click on this icon here. Draw something on your image. For starters, I'll draw a heart in the sky. Press Generate and wait for a while. Galaxy AI turned the heart into a cloud in the same shape. Additionally, several versions of the image are offered. Choose the one you like and click on Save a Copy underneath it. Now, let me show you a more complex example. As I demonstrated at the beginning of the video, I will add another surfer. Try to draw as accurately as possible so Galaxy AI can understand your intention. And here's another surfer. This picture looks great. What do you think? If this video helped you, subscribe to our channel and like this video.